We're out here at SEMA 2018 in the Oracle Lighting booth, showing you guys some of our top products that we're featuring here. The LED wheel rings have become one of the most popular products for Oracle Lighting, and for 2019 we've made quite a few upgrades. One of the things that you're going to notice is that they now come in full color retail packaging. That way when they're sitting on a shelf in a retailer store, they're going to get tons of attention and you can tell exactly what they do. The lights now come in a much thicker aluminum hoop, and that hoop is tapped and threaded, so you can easily mount the 5 brackets that come with each wheel ring for a variety of different configurations, making installation even easier. The LED wiring is now a shielded cable that comes with a 20-foot spool on each LED with a plug-and-play waterproof connector that connects into a hub that has a single output for easy wiring and installation. You'll also notice that the LED rings are now a larger diameter. These now fit even the largest breaks that are out there. Another new product that we're having here at the SEMA show is the double-wide LED wheel rings. These have twice as many LEDs as the single wheel rings that have been so popular. The single wheel rings have 324 LEDs per set. The double wheel rings have 648 LEDs per set. So they're twice as bright, give you twice as much attention while you're driving down the road, but it still comes with all the same features that we went over for the single wheel rings. To find out more information, visit us at www.oraclelights.com or check out the link in the bio.